Here in the US Virgin Islands with the Tourism Board and Adobe, focusing on their products Lightroom, Photoshop, and Adobe Spark. And yeah, today we did a little workshop with some students here to just help with storytelling and any technological kind of insights we could lend as photographers for the Lightroom process.
My name is Raven Phillips. I'm a freelance reporter here in the Virgin Islands, and I'm also president-elect of the Student Government Association here at University of the Virgin Islands, and I am one of several people that took part in the Adobe Lightroom class that we had today at the Department of Tourism. I hope the Department of Tourism kind of sponsors more things like this, because this was a lot of fun and it was great to get people in the community together to work on a project like this. I really hope they continue to do things like this in the future.
A lot of us are constantly looking for like patterns in composition and how they can kind of work to help enhance and create unique pieces of art. I think that's just capture every bit of a scene. And oftentimes what happens in those situations is that you add too much complexities to your frame. If we talked about it, we bring it back to the same conversation or the idea, talking about sharing some sense of intent or purpose of your story, what you're trying to create with your viewers. Isolating your subjects can help remove those distracting elements. A lot of people don't think about it, and it's kind of like a Buddhist train of thought, but a photograph, when it comes to a photograph, it's almost as much important as what you include in your image as what you exclude. So if there was a ton of other stuff happening around here, or this was small and isolated, it wouldn't have the same feel. But instead, isolating this down, you have beautiful color patterns, and it's just like straight to the point of what you were trying to capture.
And as I mentioned before, when we're done, we're going to take your favorite photo and we're going to print it out for you, like these little guys over here.
I definitely learned a lot, and I'm going to use a lot of it as I continue news reporting.
Yeah, I mean, it's something that more people could make use of, and I'm really glad that our Department of Tourism, like you were saying, Raven, however this came about, I don't even know how it came about, but whatever happened, I wish more of it would happen, because it shows to us that they're at least having somewhat a thought process of, we have nice pictures, yes, carnival, beaches, so on, but maybe there's another way to capture our Virgin Islands, to market it to the rest of the world in a way that would be something that we're ultimately really proud of because of our culture and our history.
It'll be people here telling their own stories.
Exactly, from our perspective.